Hey guys, Noamada here, again you with us in the traders. Today, as every Sunday, or we'll present is 3 stocks for the upcoming week. So stay with us so you won't miss it. Bye bye.
So hello guys and welcome back to the traders and to this week edition of 3 longs in a week. And today I'm gonna give you, like every Sunday, 3 symbols to watch, and I will also give you an alert that you can know in which price you can buy, in which price it's interesting in my opinion, and you can act about it. So let's start from scratch. The first symbol that I'm giving you, as always, as every Sunday, and I don't really need to give any introduction about our performances in the last 2 months. I mean, we had OSTK around around $9.50, just to see that it was around here. OSTK was around here, and it's now 19. I mean, 100% in 3 weeks. It's amazing, and we have a lot of other alerts that we gave you in this edition of the video. And of course, we have a lot of symbols that we gave you, and a lot of our students made a lot of money, took profit, like I am educating in our courses, to take it in a lots. So let's continue for this week. This week we have, first of all, we have SSP. You can see the blue line. The blue line is my alert. SSP, you can see in the daily and in the weekly, it looks amazing for a bounce play. As you can see, in last Friday the volume has increased very nicely, and it looks like it might start it bounce back to the 70 or 80 dollar a share price. So this is like, if you can see my line, if it break the blue line, which is, I repeat, 15 and 90 cent, it can easily go to 70 or even maybe 18. So it looks very nice. Volume has increased in Friday, as I said, and it looks good for a bounce. So this is the first one. Of course, as you know me, low floater, and looks good, might bounce to the 18. So this is the first one. Second one is NTLA. NTLA is pharmaceuticals. It's diagnosis substance manufacturing, and it looks good. You can see on the weekly that we had a green day with a nice volume, like 3 times the normal volume of the weekly candle, and it was here, and then a small red bar, which we can ignore, which we all know that RBI is the pattern, red bar ignore. And it looks nice that we had a nice weekly green candle with a 2.39 volume, which is amazing, and it might start the move upward to around $20 or even 21. So it's like maybe 30% upside. So it looks good. It has the potential. You can see here that my blue line is a breakout above this high, above this consolidation, and it looks very nice, and I hope we can see it give us some dollars to the target, which is around 20. So this is the second symbol, NTLA. The third one is IDCC. Also here you can see a nice base, and on the daily we break out with a nice volume. We crossed the VWAP and the moving average, and it looks amazing for an upside move to around 70, 69, 70, and this is maybe around 8% of profit. You can see it here that my alert is above the weekly high, above 66 and 89, and if it can break this level, which we can see that it really made a lot of choppiness around this level, and if it can breakout in this level, we might see the 70 or even the 71. So I repeat my three symbols for this week, this upcoming week. First one, write to yourself. First one is SSP above 15 and 19 cent. The second one is NTLA above 16 and 80 cent. And the third one is IDCC above 66 and 89 cents. So I really don't want to repeat on myself, but you know our performances in the last 2 months that we are doing this edition of 3 longs in a week. So I hope you can make the benefits and the most from it. And if you do, please like us, please subscribe to our channel, please let us let the channel grow. And if you have any subject that you want me or Noam to review, or you have some question, don't hesitate to ask us.